a lot of people asking that they've got problems in their relationships. How exactly can we use Ho'oponopono for that? There is a simple way of healing relationships with Ho'oponopono. Let's play a simple game. All you need to do is take a notepad and a pen. And a game is always made of what? Points. Let's say, think of a name of a person with whom your relationship is not working right now. This one video experience is going to change the quality of your relationships. So watch this till the very, very end. Based on popular request, today we are making a video on how to use Ho'oponopono to heal your relationships. Yes, a lot of people asking that they've got problems in their relationships. How exactly can we use Ho'oponopono for that? Let's begin, and remember that this one workshop, this one experience that you're going to have, and I'm calling it a workshop because you're going to actually work with me right now. This one video experience is going to change the quality of your relationships. So watch this till the very, very end. Ready? Great. My name is Mitesh Khatri. Those of you who are meeting me for the first time, I and my wife, Hew Khatri, we are law of attraction coaches and national best-selling authors of this book, The Law of Attraction. Here is a simple way of healing relationships with Ho'oponopono. So those of you who don't know what is Ho'oponopono at all, it's a very simple technique. It is not invented, but made famous by a doctor called Dr. Hew Len, who used Ho'oponopono to heal mentally ill patients who were so violent that they were caged with body jackets in a mental hospital. He healed all of them just with using Ho'oponopono statements. These are just 4 simple statements, but they're so profound, the frequency is so profound that he healed those people without medication, without electric shocks, without talking to them, without even counseling, without any therapy. He used to just do remotely Ho'oponopono for them, and he healed all of them and left them home. I personally have healed many of my relationships just with using Ho'oponopono. Want to know how it works? Let's begin. Ho'oponopono has simple 4 statements, and they are: I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. Let's get ready. Let's play a simple game. All you need to do is take a notepad and a pen, and a game is always made of what? Points, correct? So here's an example. Let's say, think of a name of a person with whom your relationship is not working right now. Example could be you're upset with your mom, or your mom is upset with you right now. So then just write down mom, okay? Now on a level of 1 to 10 right now, where would you rate the points on how good is your relationship with your mom right now? Even at a feeling level, when you think of her right now, based on whatever conflicts are going on. If the relationship is very good, then you're going to write it at, let's say, 7, 8, 9, or 10. If the relationship is okay right now, maybe then 2 or 3. So play this game with me. Quickly write down the points. Let's say for your mom, you're writing 3. Okay, now write down in this game, what are the emotions which has made you fail in this game, which has made you lose in this game with your mother. Example could be, I'm frustrated with my mom because she gives me a lot of advice, right? Or I'm frustrated with her, or I'm upset with her because she's behind my life to get married. Or I am helpless with my mother because she dominates me a lot. I don't know, which one is it? Write down not only the rating of that relationship game, but also the emotions which has made us lose that game in that relationship. Make sense? Let's say you've got 3 emotions that you have written down. Now comes the ultimate part of the game where you start winning this game. I want you to write down a number where you would consider that, okay, now if I achieve this number, that means I am feeling good with my mother. So an example of that would be 7. So let's say from 3, you may not directly go to 10. Understandable. You can't suddenly have a great relationship with somebody in just 5 minutes. That may take a little time, but maybe from 3, you want to go to 7 or maybe 6. So make that target right now. See, in any game, there's always a target, right? So create a goal that I want my relationship with my mom to be at a minimum of, let's say, 6 out of 10. Great. Now what we do is we use Ho'oponopono to first heal the relationship by all the negative emotions that we have written down. We'll heal that. And then we'll create the new words. So let's create that right now. If you've written 6 between you and your mother, then write down 3 emotions that you want to feel for her between your relationship that would say, okay, now I'm winning in this game in my relationship with my mom. An example would be acceptance for my mom. Another example could be patience for my mom. And another obvious example is love for my mother. So you write down these 3 words. So if you observe now in this game, we've got 2 parts. Part 1 is the current status of this game. And part 2 is the end goal of how I want to win in this game. Correct? Now, whether you do this exercise for your mom, or your father, or your friend, or your colleague, or your boss, or your subordinate, or even for yourself, Can you heal your relationship with yourself using Ho'oponopono? Of course. All you have to do is write your own name, write the rating of how you are feeling with yourself, write down the feelings that you're feeling, minimum 3 feelings that you're feeling towards yourself, which are negative emotions. Write down the target. How do I want to feel about myself in a few minutes? That's your target. And then write down 3 new emotions that you want to feel. Now, what are the 3 new emotions that you can write? Very simple. Opposite of the negative emotions. So if you're feeling sad about yourself, you're going to write happy. If you're feeling angry with yourself, you're going to feel calm for yourself. Make sense? So the same exercise can be done with any person's name, including yourself. Now let's play the game now that I've defined the game to you and the rules. So step one is very simple. Now start doing Ho'oponopono for your mother at least 5 times right now with me. We're playing a game, right? So let's do it now. Come on. So I'm going to say, I'm sorry, mom. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. That's 1 time. Come on, do it with me. I'm sorry, mom. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm really sorry, mom. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm really sorry, mom. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Final one more time. I'm sorry, mom. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Now that you've said it 5 times, I want you to take each emotion that you've written in that relationship with your mother, which is making you feel that your relationship is not good with her. An example of that feeling I told you was angry. So let's say I'm angry with my mom. So you're going to now add the word anger at the end of every Ho'oponopono statement. Ready? Let's go. So you're going to say, I'm sorry that I'm angry with you, mom. Please forgive me for feeling angry with you, mom. Thank you, mom, for releasing all this anger between us. I love myself that I have now released all my anger with my mom and I feel happy with my mom. Right? So all you have done is you're using the word anger at the end of every statement in a logical way to release that anger. One more example. Chalo ek baar fir se karte hain. Let's say you're feeling frustrated with your mother. All you're going to do is say, I'm sorry, mom, for feeling frustrated with you and for not having patience with you. Please forgive me, mom, for creating so much frustration in our relationship. Thank you, mom, for forgiving me in spite of all this frustration that I have demonstrated towards you. I love you, mom, for forgiving me, and I forgive myself for all this frustration. So if you see, I've logically added the word frustration at the end of every statement to make it emotionally connecting and at the same time logically understandable. Make sense? Want one more example? Chalo ek aur karte hain. Let's say you are feeling helpless with somebody because somebody is dominating you. Here's how you would do it. I'm sorry for feeling helpless in your presence. Please forgive me for blaming you for my helplessness. Thank you for helping me learn that I'm not helpless. I love you for teaching me that I have the ability to help myself. I am not helpless. So you see what I'm doing here? I'm releasing that negative emotion by saying that negative emotion at the every statement of Ho'oponopono. By the way, those of you who are watching this video for the first time, and if you want to have a detailed video on what Ho'oponopono is, there's a video somewhere on the top here you will see as a sign or in the description below. Click on that, go to my other YouTube video where I've explained in detail what is Ho'oponopono. It's a magical 4-statement frequency that can heal anything in your life. Literally. Ready to go more? Okay, so let's take one more example. Now, this example is going to be about creating the positive frequency. Remember, in this game, there are 2 parts, the current status and the new status of the relationship. But tell me if you really tried it with me right now. And if you didn't, pause the video for a second and do it with me right now. If you actually did this part, reverse it and do it again with me if you need to. If you did it with me, tell me in the comment section, how did you feel? You would realize in this game that you're already improving in the way of feeling about your mother or whoever that person is by doing this exercise exactly like this. You're healing that relationship using Ho'oponopono. Make sense? Do you want a little more help on this? Do you want to have more experiences in detail? Are you someone like me who loves to go in depth of something? No problem. In the description below in this video, I've given you a link. Click on that link, register there. There's a free Ho'oponopono lesson that I'm doing for full 90 minutes where I give people something I call as tears of joy experience, where in the session itself, you'll release all your negative emotions that you've got accumulated unconsciously, subconsciously. We've got so many negative emotions within us. Let's release all of that. You'll feel so happy during the session. You'll literally have tears of joy. I promise you that. Okay. So pause this video right now for a second. Quickly click on that link, register now, and then let's continue playing the second part of this game, which is about creating new frequency in that relationship. Listen, if you have to really heal something, you can't just heal it by solving something. You also have to evolve the relationship. In my programs, I always tell people, stop solving, start evolving. See, solving is about constantly remaining at that problem frequency. Evolving is going beyond that problem frequency. So how do you do that? You do two parts of Hope No. First part is releasing that negative feeling. Now the second part is amazing. The second part is the positive emotions that you've written for that person. You're now going to say those positive emotions at the end of every statement of Hope No. Remember, Hope No has these four statements. Once again, say it with me. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Ready? So here is an example of that. So let's say for my mom, I had earlier written angry. So what is the new positive emotion I would write for my mom? Opposite of that, calm. When somebody is angry, what do you say? Arey Baba, calm down. So the opposite of anger is calm. So here's how you're going to do it. I'm sorry that I have not been calm with you. Please forgive me that I have not been practicing to feel calm with you. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to feel calm in our relationship with mom. I love you, mom, and that is why I'm so calm with you always now. Now, when you say it this way, it's more logical and it's emotionally positive this time. So you're not just solving, you're actually evolving. Because this time you're not talking about anger, you're talking about being calm. If you play this game fully, you can go from where you are in a relationship to where you want to go in the relationship in a very, very measurable way. And I'll tell you how. Let's just finish this game and then you'll realize how. Okay? So second emotion that we worked on for mom was what? If you remember, we worked on anger earlier and we worked on frustration. So what is the opposite of frustration? Let's say if a person is frustrated, what do you say? Say relax. Don't get so frustrated. So the opposite of frustration is relax. So what do you do now? Say the same relaxed word for mom with every Hope No statement. Try it with me again. Mere saath karo. By the way, you don't have to do it for mom. You can do it for any person that you're actually working on right now, but you can do it with me. So come on, play this game with me. I'm sorry, mom, for not being relaxed with you. Please forgive me for being so stressed around you and not being relaxed with you. Thank you, mom, for teaching me how to relax with you. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to be relaxed with you. I love you, mom. That is why I'm so relaxed every time you are with me. Now, if you repeat this, see what's happening now? The old frequency is dissolved and the new frequency has been created. You see, if you go to Dharavi in Mumbai, which is a slums area, and you clear that slum or even a small area of that slum, if you clear it, and if you don't build something there for a long time, do you know what happens? The slum comes back because negative frequency will always come back if you don't build some positivity above it. That is what I mean by stop solving, start evolving. You want to do one more? Let's go. So if you remember with mom again, 3 negative emotions we heal, right? First was anger, second was frustration, third was helpless. तो चलो उसका भी positive कर देते हैं. What is the opposite of helpless? Helpful. है ना? Helpless, helpful. So all you need to now do is add the word helpful with every Hope No statement for the person you are upset with. Example is, I'm sorry for not being helpful with you. Please forgive me for not being able to help you when I need to. Please forgive me for not being helpful towards myself. Thank you for teaching me how to be helpful every time I'm with you, mom. I love you, mom, for giving me the opportunity to be helpful while I'm around you. If you observe, the more you say this helpful word, the helpless word is going out of your life. Because you're building something new. If you play this game, here is what happens at the end of it. Now that we've come to one end of this game with mom as an example for 3 emotions. Anger has become calm, frustration has become relaxed, and helpless has become helpful. So now check the measurement. Ask yourself, how are you feeling in your relationship with that person right now? Are you feeling at 6 or not? And I guarantee you, you will. Why? Because you released the old feelings and you created the new feelings. Now, if you play this game exactly this way, with your partner, with your friend, with your colleague, your boss, the best part in this game, you don't even need the other person to be involved with you. खुद से खेलो, खुद से heal कर लो. You can play it yourself, heal it yourself. Isn't this amazing? Do you want to go more in depth with this? Like I told you earlier, come and watch my first lesson of Hope No Healer certification course because I'll give you amazing results, case studies from there. Here is one case study. There's a lady who was going to be divorced with her husband. And everything was done, decision was done, and then they joined our Hope No Healer certification course. On the day 1, we do a lot of healing practice from morning 9 o'clock to evening 6 p.m. पूरा दिन सिर्फ practice करते हैं. Lots of healing. So during that, she wrote down in the morning that how she feels towards her husband is 1. At the end of the day, when we finish the workshop, How she felt about her husband was literally 8, even though the target she had created was just 5, where she just wanted to feel normal around him. But because we practiced the whole day, she released all her negative emotions towards him, started creating lots of positive feelings towards him. At the end of the day, it was at 8. And believe it or not, to prove it, when she came on video and she said, Mitesh, now I'm feeling really good. I'm not feeling any anger towards him. All my anger is gone. All my helplessness is gone. The betrayal feeling that I had towards my husband, he's not said sorry yet, but suddenly it's all gone. I'm feeling so relieved towards him. I said, okay, can you give me a proof? She said, what proof do you want? I said, can you call up your husband right now? And can you say, I love you to him right now? We do these kind of crazy things in our workshop. So she actually did this. First, she thought for a second, should I do it? I said, if you really have forgiven him, it should be easy for you. She called him up. And not only did she say, I love you to him, she said, I'm sorry. And you know what she did at the end? She said, can we go out for a date tonight? And can we restart this relationship fresh? She was in tears. And the best part was she had kept herself on speakerphone. So the husband was saying whatever he was saying on the other side, we could hear it. And the husband said, where do you want to go? So he didn't say, क्यों चलना है? कोई ताना नहीं मारा उसने. He just said, where do you want to go? And she had tears. And everybody in the workshop had tears. Isn't this amazing? How a simple tool like Hope Nope No can heal a relationship. It's been more than 1 month to that workshop now. We've been following up with her. And we love to do that with all our students. We keep sending regular emails to people who've done the workshop to check what are their results 1 month later, 2 months later, because we're even doing a clinical research on Hope Nope No right now. It's been more than 1 month. She told us she's back in the relationship. Divorce cancelled, boss. Back to love. They've had multiple dates since then. Their love has come back in their relationship. How? Stop solving, start evolving with Hope Nope No. If today's video helped you understand how to play this game and heal your relationships, please quickly give it a thumbs up. In the bottom of that video right now, you'll see a like button. Quickly hit that like button, because when you like it, many people on YouTube get an opportunity to watch the same video. Share it with some of your friends who you know they need to learn this. The weird thing is, if you go and teach it to them, नहीं सीखते. क्योंकि दोस्त अपने बारे में कुछ भी बोलता है तो we don't take it very seriously, right? But if you share a video with them, suddenly they take it seriously. So share it with a few friends who you know need to heal their relationships. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so the next time I am creating a beautiful video like this. And you know what we are creating next? How to remove money blocks with Hope Nope No. This video of removing money blocks with Hope Nope No is going to blow your mind. The reason is it's going to blow away all those blocks of money and start attracting money in your life. Interested? Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you'll get a notification when I start having that video. Ready? Let's start playing this game, and tell me in the comment section how was today's video. I would love to read more about your comments and your experience of today's Hope Nope No game. See you soon in the next video.